Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Pakistan. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase, and thanks to the Coinbase, if you would buy a 100 value of crypto, you will receive $10 of free Bitcoin. So you just add first name, last name, email, password, everything, and when you're gonna log in, you go home, and then you will be in Bitcoin here. Now you can simply click buy and add here like 100 of Bitcoin, and I'm going to preview the buy here, and price, pay with a bank, or you can pay with your Euro wallet. And when you're gonna do it, just click preview buy, and you're gonna pay a fee, of course, but if you're gonna get those $10, you will pay for the fee. And this is pretty much it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.